How's it going, everyone? This is Greg down at Mike's Famous Harley-Davidson, and this week I wanted to let you know that we're doing rates as low as 0% interest on financing on new Harley-Davidsons. And if you look right behind me, we actually have a 2019 Street Glide Special in the billiard blue. This bike already has a stage 1 on it. It's got a full exhaust. It's got the chrome works. This bike is equipped with everything. It has navigation, it has ABS, it's got security, it's got the stretch bags. We already have the docking hardware on it. This bike sounds amazing. It's got a nice low tone when you first start it up, and then when you give it a little gas, it sounds a lot nicer. I'll let you hear that right now. Got that nice low tone. When you give it a little bit of gas, so again, all this week we're doing rates as low as 0% on the new Harleys. We're also going to be having a hog roast this weekend. It's going to be a lot of great food, a lot of great people. So come on down and see us at 951 Bank Street, New London, Connecticut, USA.